Five little Pippies winking in the sun, singing in the seaweed, having lots of fun. Down flew a seagull to the sandy shore. He gobbled up a Pipi, then there were four. Four little Pippies winking in the sun, wriggling in the sand and having lots of fun. Along came a little boy hungry for his tea. He gobbled up a Pipi, then there were three. Three little Pippies winking in the sun, blowing little bubbles, having lots of fun. Along came a crab, looking for some food. He gobbled up a Pipi, then there were two. Two little Pippies winking in the sun, splashing in the sea and having lots of fun. Along came an oyster catcher with a hungry tongue. He gobbled up a Pipi, then there was one. One little Pipi winking in the sun, feeling all alone now that the day was done. He wriggled and he wriggled and he jumped into the sea. Off he swam, "You won't eat me!"